Good morning, guys. So today is my last day here at New Jersey. Yesterday, it pretty much took the whole day to buy gifts and to pack. As you can see, everything is pretty much packed now. So I have this bag here, that blue bag over there. So the problem is, everyone's been telling me that Qatar this day, like to this day, they've started to measure those bags as well. And if it's more than 7 kilos, then that's not good. My blue bag over there, I hardly have anything and it's already 7 kilos. My plan is to put everything that is heavy onto this backpack. Hopefully, I can give this bag to my brother while I'm checking in and they will not realize.
Get away.
So that's the plan. If it doesn't, then it's gonna be bad. I don't think I have anything else I can do, and I don't want to pay any more money because it's so expensive already. But that's the plan for now.
Plan.
ओ यो त ढुङ्गा बोके जस्तो हुने रहेछ
Carrying fire.
Hi, my name is Angie. This is Madrisha. So your boarding cards. And this is the first one, JFK to Doha, Doha to Kathmandu. Today you're boarding at gate number 16.
Alright guys, I'm pretty much in. Got through the security point.
That was airport security.
I have like so many gadgets, oh my god. It's like a hassle taking out everything. But most likely now I don't have to worry about it until Doha again, And hopefully they'll allow me to take my drone. But so far so good. First thing is to get some water, so let's go get some water. Get some more water. Sorry. Best thing, guys, coconut water. That's so refreshing, oh my god. The next plan is pretty much to find my gate and then just wait, I guess. Thank you, have a good one. Hello. Doing good, how are you? Thank you so much. Alright guys, so here's the thing. There's an empty seat here, right? That's because this is a woman who wanted to take this seat. So this lady, she comes in and says, oh, you're sitting in my spot. So I was like, well, if you see my ticket, it says 22K and that's 22K as well. And she was asking me to move, right? And I was like, no, this is the seat that I got, and I specifically chose a window seat. And she's like, no, well, you're supposed to be nice and then move because I'm a woman, and then there are two men sitting next to me. Well, culturally, I understand, but at this point, it's like economy, it's not business class. You have to do with what you have to do, and we're not predators as well. Like, we're pretty much civilized, and it's just annoying because like the tonality was completely off, and if she requests nicely, then I would be like, sure, you know, but first of all, she's lying. And then second, she's trying to use cultural differences or trying to make me a villain, which was pretty mean. So I just ignored this person, and then I'm glad she found someone else. But the nice thing is at least there's an empty seat here now.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
Alright guys, the first meal. So I just brushed my teeth before leaving, and I thought I wouldn't be eating this soon. But guess what? Pretty much destroyed. Finished in like 2 minutes, literally. Now it's gonna be a good sleep. Alright, so this woman, right? She literally came up with someone else. And he was like, why didn't you give me the window seat, Manila? Ani. I was like, I just woke up and I don't know what to say. I'm adamant to get it again. And then this but she has the audacity to speak about karma. So this woman, she literally pointed at me and was like, karma will get you.
So entitled.
Alright guys, I have about 5 hours remaining, which is still a lot. Let's see where we are at. Alright, we're somewhere here. I don't know what this place is. We're over Tunisia.
2,000 years later.
So you know the person who was sitting next to me in the plane? During the last 2 hours of the flight, I managed to speak with him and we became friends. And then he was like, what are you doing for 6 hours, for a layover? And I was like, well, I'll just edit my videos and stuff like that. He was like, I have an extra pass for the lounge. You can come there and work there.
Thank you so
I
much.
was like, oh, cool. So I tagged along with him, and then that's how we ended up in the lounge.
Let's see what we have here. Okay, I got dessert. Some food. Nice.
Alright guys, so this is the shower place. Look at this. It's time to shower.
I shower 6 times a day.
It's beautiful. Look at this.
Yeah, C23 is there. Perfect. Alright guys, I've never seen this part of the airport. Oh. Look at this. It's beautiful. Wow. Honestly, I've never seen this place before. But that's not my gate, so I have to go this way. Man. Wow, they built this place so well. Oh, it's beautiful. It's all rainforest. Honestly, I would like to make my house like that as well, you know? Full rainforest. You can just sit down and meditate the whole day.
You meditate.
Me? Meditate?
Alright, we have to find this gate. Oh, E. Where is C, Colin? C22, alright, that way.